In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit description in Gumloop. We'll walk through updating the text that appears with your workflow. So teammates and future, you can immediately understand what a flow does and when to use it. Start by opening Gumloop and heading to your flows area. This is the home page where your projects live. Give the page a second to load and you'll see a list of your workflows displayed as cards or rows. Each one typically shows the title, a short description, and some quick actions. Take a moment to locate the specific workflow whose description you want to change. Clear, accurate descriptions make it easier to search and reduce mistakes, so it's worth doing this carefully. Move your mouse over the workflow you want to edit. When you hover, an options menu will appear. Look for the three dots, also known as the overflow menu. Click those three dots to reveal more actions for that workflow. From the menu that opens, choose Edit Description. This will bring up a small editor or dialog where you can adjust the text. Inside the editor, place your cursor in the description field. Highlight the current description so you can replace it quickly. If you prefer, you can also move the cursor and make small edits, but highlighting the entire line is the easiest way to fully refresh it. Now type in your new description. Aim for concise, plain language that explains the purpose, key inputs, and expected output. For example, you might mention the source of the data, the frequency you run the flow, or any important context a collaborator should know. Keep it scannable. One or two short sentences are usually enough, and avoid adding sensitive information. If your team uses naming conventions or tags, include those so the description remains consistent across workflows. Once you're happy with the text, click Continue to confirm the change. This action saves the updated description to that workflow. After a brief moment, you should see a confirmation message indicating the description was updated successfully. You can return to the list and verify that the new wording now appears beneath the workflow's title. That's it. Your workflow description is now up to date. A strong description helps reduce onboarding time for collaborators, prevents duplicate flows, and makes your automation library easier to navigate. If you maintain multiple workflows, consider reviewing their descriptions periodically so everything stays accurate as your processes evolve. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat these same steps whenever your workflow purpose changes or you want to improve clarity.